All right, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I got a piece of metal on wheels. So this is a 1980 K10 Scottsdale, and as you can see, it's in some fairly rough condition. Bed pretty much shot. It did come with a transmission cooler, which I probably will never use. No tailgate. The reason I bought it is because the frame, though there's surface rust, is very solid, and so is the suspension. No cracks anywhere in the leaves. All the bushings that look like they've been redone on the suspension components. What I end goal on this is actually I want to make a series on it of essentially destroying this truck for the body. I may keep some pieces of it, but I'd be throwing the C10's body on it and making it a K10 Overhaul. So as you can see, nothing special. This was kept on a farm in Tennessee for pretty much the majority of its life. It's got about 50,000 miles on it, but manure can rust up a lot very quick. As you can see, dent here, dent in the doors, rust hole right here. Looks like underneath where the trim was. As for the interior, considering what it is, it's still very bad. The only thing we got going for it is the seat. Seat was redone. Now, I don't know when, but it was redone. Over here, I mean, as you can see, everything in here is pretty much shot. Cab's done for. Dash is done. Everything's fogged up. The goal is to take my cab and throw it on here, take this cab off, and, you know, essentially do a full body swap, full drivetrain swap. I understand I will have to use a four-wheel drive transmission out of this, which currently does not have forward gears, so that will also have to be rebuilt. But for what is in it, it is a turbo 350 automatic with a transfer case, I believe the NP205. Still new to the K10 world, but it does have a small block 350 thrown into it. I will put mine, again, out of my C10 in here to handle the wheels and tires that I want to throw on. End of the day, I'd like to put in some 35s, maybe just 33s. I don't know yet. Again, still learning everything about these. The engine, to my knowledge, is entirely stock. I don't believe anything's been done to it. I could be entirely wrong. Really haven't dug into it yet. I just picked this up yesterday. But I'm really excited for everything. I'm going to try to make a series on it, so definitely stay tuned for that. As for it running, it does run. It has actually been wired in a push start, which I thought was pretty interesting. I highly doubt that was factory. Actually, I pretty much guarantee it wasn't. You just turn the key here, and it starts right up. Now, it's not quite the absolute healthiest sounding engine. It definitely does not sound bad, all things considered, but it does hold pressure. It does not have a miss. Starts up, shuts off, totally fine, which I'm excited for. I could probably sell it, get a little bit of my money back out of it. But definitely stay tuned for the videos, because I'm really excited for this. I have a lot of plans for it. Majority of it is going to be the restoration, but the fun part is going to be the destruction of taking everything apart on here. But yeah, like I said, I probably said it 1,000 times. Stay tuned. Definitely check out the channel. Check out the videos. But I do believe that is everything. So like I said, subscribe to the channel. Keep your eyes peeled on different videos coming out. I'm excited to see where it goes. So anyway, like the video, subscribe if you want to see more. Leave a comment what specifically you want to see. I'd be more than happy to make a video. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next one.